Hello? If I were to bring you a rat, do you think you could cook that for me? Yeah, one moment. Yeah, flying rat. You see, it stole my greenbacks, and I've been trying to get it back. But once I get my fucking hands around the neck of this bastard, I'm gonna bring it in, and I'm gonna cook it. I will obtain its power. Mm. Mm. Okay. I'll let you know. Well, hello there, ma'am. No, the sidewalk is dangerous, though. I've never had good experiences there. Oh, what was that? Uh, we're under aerial bombardment. Get under cover. You see what I'm talking about? That flying rat bastard. He's got my money. He's got my money in the clutches of its beaks. Yeah. It's got 15 grand. I don't know. Do you think you should shoot it? Well, I can shoot it. You just give me the word. Just give me the fucking word. I do it. I swear. Wait! Where's he?
Holy fuck, man.
Oh goodness. Where'd it go? It was? Are you sure about that? Are you perhaps in cahoots with this rat bastard? Are you trying to? Did you hire him to take my money from me? My hard-earned money. Oh my god! Oh, you're pissed. Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. I hear squeaking. The squaws. I don't know which. Oh, you shoot next to me. What the fuck? The job is to protect me. You realize the ricochet from one of them motherfuckers can hit me in the ankle and I'll never be able to walk again. You can fix that, you Jesus. You're not Jesus, you're just well trained. Okay, well, no. Get cover. I don't know. I don't know what to do either. Oh, God. By the local fund of Los Santos. Help me. You little rat bastard, I see you now. Get over here. Get over here, you bitch. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I was trying to punch the rat bastard. Oh, when... Are you trying to negotiate my own money with me, you... bastard? It gave me $1 out of 15 grand. That is perhaps the most grave loss I've ever lost through investments. I'm in the red. Oh, God. Oh my God, you're mugging the. Fuck yeah! I don't know. Whoa. I hear him too, that rat bastard. Whoa. It's, it's got the money and it's tweaking out. Is it twerking? Is it trying to earn the money? I don't know. It's got some moves on it. I might. I might be able to. I don't know. Get over here. Let me rob you. I'll mug you, you son of a bitch. Yeah. Put those wings where I can see them, preferably in an orifice of your preference. Hold on. What the fuck? My money is nowhere to be seen. It has eaten my money. I think it is time to cut it open and to serve it to the masses. What do you think, Mr. Siegel? Oh, okay. I don't know what to do about my missing money, though, but you know what? Yeah, lessons learned. I don't know what'll solve it. I'll be honest with you. Who's this?
He's carrying a flipping bird. Oh, okay, just put him down. This bird keeps shitting on me.
You need to cut that bastard open. He stole my money, picked it up in his beak, and when I went to go and snatch it from him, he goddamn ate it. I want my money, and I want it now. What was my first psych evaluation? Oh, I remember my first psych evaluation. Oh. Fuck if I can go there. Hey, Bird, what do you want to do, huh? You want to do this the easy way? You want to do this the hard way? Yeah, they did. Perhaps, maybe, this bird has come to see the light. Maybe if we were to unrestrain the bird, and out of its freedom, it would grant us some kind of gratuity in response. Whoa! He flew away just
that
like
bird
Jesus.
Went bye-bye.
I think you missed the bastard.
Oh, I didn't even see that bird.
Oh! Shit all over his car. That's you're gonna need a new paint job after that one. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right. Where'd he go? See, this is what I'm talking about. You look away from him for 1 second and you lose track. I don't know how your paint job will ever recover. He's ooh, National Geographic, baby. Let's go. I love me a good episode from National Geographic. You know, when I was but a kid and people were telling me in the future we would have flying cars, I never
Oh my God,
imagined
you
this is
peeled
how
off
they
his
would be
wings.
created. Oh. All I want in life is to impress Mr. Foreman, and I can't do that without cash. Mr. Foreman don't care about me without no cash. You know, I was left on the streets up until now. I haven't seen Mr. Foreman at all. Actually, now that I think about it, I wonder if Mr. Foreman's okay. Oh, is there something happening behind me? Oh, is that me? It is Ezekiel Beak Rumble. If I have no recollections of ever owning a bird in my life, besides a big metal one. That is the. And that does seem to be the case. I don't know. Are you somebody I know from the war? Have you been reincarnated? Has Jesus dealt you a shit hand? Oh, Eddie, soldier, that's what I'm talking about right there. All is forgiven, soldier. You know, for a moment there, I thought it was just another rat bastard of Los Santos, but it turns out I've been reunited with a brother. Ooh, are my ankles supposed to bend like this? Oh, okay. Must be a side effect from the Agent Orange. All right. So, what 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 rank did you have? Oh, oh, you son of a bitch! You ain't nothing to me. You're dead to me. You hear me? You're dead to me. Fucking shit on my shoes. Be honest with you, I ain't even wearing the stuff I'm supposed to be wearing right now. I don't know what happened to that either. I woke up in a haze in an alleyway, and I only had 15 grand to my name, a small loan of $15,000, and now I have to start from nothing. I'm used to it. With a little chip off my shoulder and bird shit on my shoe. I begin anew. Thank you. Did you put the wind? What did you hand that to me? Was that in my waistband? Was that in my hat that I didn't know I owned? Would you? Would you how, oh, all right. What? Did somebody let loose a petting zoo? I am. I do not blame you. You as well. I salute you so much. Thank you. I don't know what I would do without you. Absolutely.